Alright guys, now we're going to talk about finding good videos to post. So again, we're going to want to find videos that are Creative Commons. If we just search conspiracy theory within YouTube, it'll show like the standard YouTube license. So if we want to find videos we can upload, just go filter and then click Creative Commons. And then I recommend sorting this by the most popular videos. So to do this, you just click view count on the right side here. And as you can see, these are going to be your best videos to repost. Now, I recommend subscribing to all the channels that are posting like Creative Commons videos like this guy. As you can see, these are videos you can re-upload, and I guarantee we can put in better thumbnails than some of these people are doing. Like this one talking about some Chick-fil-A conspiracy. You can make like a really good thumbnail like with their logo and put like a red circle over it and everything. Just make people want to click. And then for the title, put like shocking Chick-fil-A conspiracy will make you not want to eat there, instead of just putting Chick-fil-A conspiracy theory. And these are videos you can download and reuse. So then, you find people who are consistently posting Creative Commons videos in the niche that you're looking for, like this person right here. So if we just click her video, and as you can see, it's monetized, so she is getting ads on it, so that's a good sign. And then if we just go to her channel right here, we can see all of her videos, and then maybe consider subscribing to her so you can see all the new videos that are coming out. And there's a huge backlog of these videos, so I recommend just subscribing to these people and just downloading, like I said, 5 to 10 videos from different channels. You might not want to all do the same channel. Just downloading 5 to 10 videos and then uploading them on your own channel and then putting ads on it. And then when you go on these people's channels too, I recommend clicking sort by and then most popular, because then you can find the subjects that are really trending and that you can download and make videos on. Especially if they're within the conspiracy theories, like this one, Taylor Swift conspiracy theories, that's a good one. Just all of these top videos that have a lot of views on them. And I know you guys can make better thumbnails than this, so you can start ranking and getting views on your videos. And again, guys, this goes for every niche. Like when you find people, like I was talking about these tech videos, you just click videos, and then again, sort by most popular. You can find the videos that are really getting a lot of views that you can use.